Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning rustic furniture eco-chic crafts ideas that sell fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. From woodland waste to wealth is more than a phrase. It is an unfolding philosophy that reshapes the way we look at our environment, our creativity, and our connection to the spaces we live in, for the branches left behind after storms. The offcuts forgotten in sawmills, or the fallen trees often deemed useless, are in fact the raw beginnings of artistry that not only celebrates the maker's vision, but also preserves the delicate balance of nature, offering both creator and buyer a deeper story to embrace. When one takes these forest finds into their hands and envisions their transformation, the journey becomes a layered one, filled with reverence for natural resources, excitement for the creative process, and purpose in contributing to a sustainable way of life. Because at the heart of turning woodland waste into wealth lies the understanding that beauty is not always found in perfection, but in authenticity, and the cracks, knots, and textures that once symbolized abandonment suddenly evolve into cherished features that buyers crave for their uniqueness and raw character. And in the act of reimagining what most see as debris, woodworkers, artisans, and DIY dreamers become storytellers, weaving tales of resilience and rebirth into every table, chair, shelf, or sculptural piece they create, and these pieces become more than functional furniture or attractive home accents. They become testaments to human imagination and respect for the earth. Resonating with a growing market of homeowners who desire more than mass-produced items, yearning instead for decor that carries meaning, soul, and environmental consciousness. And in this transformative craft, the maker is enriched not only financially, by selling pieces that stand apart in the market, but also spiritually, knowing that their creativity is tied to stewardship of the planet, and the buyer is enriched too, for when they bring such furniture into their homes, they invite warmth, authenticity, and the quiet strength of the forest into their lives, making every glance at the piece a reminder of resourcefulness, sustainability, and timeless design. And this dynamic of creation and appreciation builds a bridge where wood that might have been wasted becomes wealth on multiple levels. Wealth for the creator's livelihood, wealth for the buyer's living experience, and wealth for the environment that benefits from materials being reclaimed instead of discarded. And the possibilities within this practice are nearly endless. For the same log that could be tossed aside can, in careful hands, become a rustic coffee table that anchors a living room with character. A weathered branch can be sculpted into a lamp base that radiates both light and story, or slabs of reclaimed wood can be crafted into shelves that carry books, plants, and memories while echoing the story of the forest they came from. And each of these creations doesn't just fill space, but also sparks conversation, serving as proof that sustainability and style are not opposing forces, but partners in shaping a modern lifestyle that values both aesthetic appeal and conscious living. And what makes this journey particularly significant is how it democratizes creativity, allowing even those with limited resources to begin with nothing more than scraps and vision. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Showing that you don't need exotic or expensive materials to make beauty, but rather the willingness to see value where others see waste. And in that mindset shift lies the future of profitable furniture and crafts. Because today's buyers are increasingly drawn to uniqueness, sustainability, and meaning, rejecting generic, disposable items in favor of designs that tell a story and reflect a personal identity. And when a buyer chooses a side table crafted from a reclaimed tree stump or a console built from weathered planks, they aren't just decorating their home, they are participating in a shared narrative of renewal, supporting artisans who honor natural resources, and aligning themselves with values that prioritize creativity and care over convenience and waste. And this alignment enriches both sides, for the maker finds purpose and reward in creating pieces that matter, while the buyer finds joy in surrounding themselves with decor that feels alive, layered with history, and crafted with intention. And as this movement continues to grow, it reveals the incredible potential of woodworking not just as a craft or business, but as a philosophy of life that marries creativity with conservation, turning forgotten pieces of nature into treasured parts of human life. And when you walk into a home adorned with such works, you feel the difference instantly. The furniture does not merely occupy space, it resonates with it, offering warmth in its rustic imperfections, grounding energy in its natural grains, and conversation in its unique forms, proving that the journey from woodland waste to wealth is not only profitable in terms of business, but also profoundly meaningful in its ability to enrich lives and reconnect us to the raw beauty of nature. And in every cut, polish, and design choice lies a quiet act of honoring the forest, ensuring that nothing is wasted and everything is given the chance to live again. And as more makers embrace this path, they form a community of creators bound by the shared belief that sustainability, creativity, and profitability can coexist seamlessly, shaping a future where our homes are filled with pieces that are not just seen but also felt, where the richness of nature is carried forward into modern life, and where every crafted treasure whispers the powerful truth that what once was discarded can, with imagination and care, become not only wealth but also legacy, embodying values that last longer than the wood itself, enriching the journey of both the hand that creates and the heart that welcomes it home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning rustic furniture Eco-Chic crafts ideas that sell fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.